Alright, hi, my name is Ken Lim. I'm from Shell Australia, and I'm one of the project managers for IT based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. So I've taken a course with vCare Project Management, and Dharam was my instructor, and it's been quite an absolute pleasure to both had Dharam leading us through the PMP certification and course. It was great from a perspective of how Dharam explains it. He's very approachable, he's very friendly. It makes often a very thick body of knowledge simplified and easy to understand. It was also great to be face to face with other project managers from other industries and really share our stories about what goes on, and try to put that theory into practical application, and as well as having a sort of share our experiences and what we face in reality as project managers. So it's been an absolute pleasure. I recommend you guys to also join vCare for training if you're into PfMP certification, and really have a blast. Thank you.